you said you've watched all the different leagues growing up. It's different per league. Eh. How would you describe the NC experience?
Wow. Iba kasi po yung NC experience kasi talagang lalo na pag dumarating na tayo sa mga Final Four and finals, nakikita mo talaga yung passion and rivalry ng mga alumni, bumabalik talaga sila. Kasi po ang NCAA experience, I think, a lot of basketball fans know it as well here in the Philippines. It's much more physical, yung style of play po niya. So, when you talk about the other leagues, like other collegiate leagues at least, they're more organized eh. Dito, it's organized ball, but may konting mas physical. Tsaka mas may konting freedom yung mga players to explore their individual talents and individual skills as basketball players. So that's what makes it more entertaining for me. And yun din siguro yung rason, Miss Pia, kung bakit marami ring mga players na nanggagaling sa NCAA na nagpo-progress at nakakagawa ng magagandang careers pagdating na sa professional leagues. So yun, that's the NCAA experience. The physicality is higher. Nakikita mo talaga yung mga player. Kasi nanonood po ako ng mga preseason leagues eh. So that's part of their preparation. So I watch them, just to check out their lineup in the upcoming season. Yung level of competition po dun sa mga preseason leagues nila, ang layo po dun sa, kunwari, opening day namin. Sabi ko, iba talaga yung yung intensity. Pagdating na dun sa Mother League, the NCAA, inaangat talaga nila yung mga laro nila because they know what's at stake pag sumali po sila sa NCAA at pag nagsimula na yung NCAA.
Iba rin kasi talaga pag pag school rivalry, iba rin yung crowd mo.
Opo. Iba talaga po. Ito rin yung dinedescribe ng iba na yung college talaga, mapa-player o mapa-fan, mga mapa-estudyante, ano po yan, iba yung passion na makikita mo because they're doing it all for their school. Yun pa yung pinaka-raw na talaga, naglalaro kami ng basketball para sa eskwelahan namin. So we're going all out. We'll leave it all on the floor. Wala kaming ititira para sa sarili namin. At ganun din po yung support. Lalo na po pag pumupunta na tayo sa Final Four at saka finals. I think last season was one of the most intense final series that I've ever seen
Oh yes,
sa NCAA.
intense
Oh my
talaga.
gosh. At hindi pa po ito yung kasi po ang parang yan, yung biggest rivalry niya ay San Beda Letran. It's not even San Beda Letran. It was
Benilde.
Benilde and Letran. Unheard of na talagang, especially in the previous seasons, nagganon ka-intense yung Benilde fans. At napuno nila yung mga venue. Sabi ko, okay, something's changing. Something is, we're doing something right at least in promoting the NCAA dito po sa GMA.